Back with Fuzz, and he's now getting to the bottom of why that engine was destined to fail.
And there we have our sump. Right, let's just take a look, see what we've got in the bottom here. We've got lots of grey sludge from all that lovely, lovely lead in the petrol that this thing ran on. We'll also have gloopy sludge in the crankshaft, because what happened was the sludge built up in here, preventing the oil from getting through to the bearings. The bearings would then suffer a seizure. Right, let's get a little sample out. Oh, that's grade A sludgy badness in there. That is absolutely the worst sludge that I've ever seen. The oil had no chance of getting through this crankshaft. Unbelievable. 32,000 miles, it's clapped out.
There's nothing worse than getting thick sludge wedged into your big end.